Welcome to the channel, and do not forget to like and subscribe in order to not miss future videos. See the description below for everything else that you might need to take your trading to the next level. So, a question that was asked on a previous video is it true that forex brokers manipulate the market to ensure people lose trades so that they gain? The following is my opinion, and feel free to disagree in the comments section below. Yes, some forex brokers do manipulate their charts so that anyone trading with them does not make money but instead loses a lot with them. Here is why. When brokers do not have liquidity providers, they are automatically themselves the counterparty to your transactions. This means when you win, the forex broker will lose and vice versa. In this case, they can do a lot of things: create spikes, open spreads, change swaps and leverage, etc. to prevent you from winning, and you end up blowing your trading account. This is why you should use only a legitimate forex broker like the one I have been using for more than 5 years now. See the link in the description box below. With just $5, you can open a real live trading account which you can use to test strategies and robots without risking too much of your capital at first. So go ahead and sign up with them. It is important to know that your forex broker has liquidity providers and is therefore not a counterparty to your trades. If you want to learn more about trading the markets, watch the other videos on this channel. I'm sure you will learn a lot about trading from them. There you have it. If you found this video of great value, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss future videos.